Hi everyone, I'm Brett Iwan. For the past 12 years, I've been proud to lend my voice to Mickey Mouse, a character who will soon be among the sculptures at Walt Disney World theme parks as part of the world's most magical celebration. Like Mickey, Walt Disney World Resort is more than just a company's creation. It's a living, breathing, personality-filled extension of one man's dream. A dream fulfilled over these past 50 years by thousands of dedicated cast members and millions of delighted guests. It's also more than just a vacation destination.
It's where we follow our imagination.
And believe in the power of magic.
A place that feeds our souls and awakens our inner heroes.
It's where we're free to go wild.
To think happy orange thoughts.
And maybe to get a little goofy.
It's where dreams soar.
Bonds form.
And love grows.
Join us as we wish upon stars.
Round up old friends.
And let the good times roll.
From Mickey Mouse and every cast member dedicated to serving his purpose of laughter.
From Miguel.
From Olaf.
From Pua and Hey Hey.
Timon, Pumbaa, and everyone who shares their problem-free philosophy.
From Cogsworth, Lumiere, and everyone in the castle.
From Abu and all of his friends in Agrabah.
From the Mad Hatter, the March Hare, and everyone who believes that any day is worth celebrating. Happy 50th, Walt Disney World.
Te queremos mucho, Walt Disney World. Feliz cumpleaños en tus 50. No te ves para nada de viejo. Te ves perfecto.
Happy 50th.
Happy 50th.
Happy 50th.
Happy 50th.
Happy 50th.
Happy 50th.
Happy 50th, Walt Disney World.
To all who come to this happy place during the world's most magical celebration and beyond, see ya real soon.
Happy 50th, Walt Disney World.